This is a Reclaim Energy heat pump controller. It's Australian designed and made to Reclaim Energy specifications. The controller is the interface between the storage tank and the heat pump unit. The sensor monitors the temperature inside the tank at all times, and the controller turns the unit on and off according to the customer's preferred settings. The Reclaim controller has 3 cables coming from it. One is a 3-pin plug for the power. The second cable is our sensor probe that connects to the tank and reads the temperature of the body of water. The data cable is the third cable, and that's what communicates between the controller and the heat pump unit to turn the system on and off as required. The controller has 5 options. Option 1 is the default option, which is 24/7 running off the thermostat. Option 2 is what we call our off-peak option, runs the unit at the off-peak time. Option 3 is an extended off-peak. Off-peak extends a bit into the day, so it's an extended off-peak function for somebody who wants a bit more boosting in the morning. Option 4 is what we call our PV integration option. It runs the unit at the same time as your PV system. If you have solar electricity, will be generating power, and that's from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then option 5 is a 2-stage timer the customer can set themselves. The controller also has a feature which is called our boost function, which is a one-shot boost function. So if you're running any option other than option 1, we call that a lean option, a lean setting, you may need to boost. As an example, you're running option 2 and you're only heating up at night and you've got guests coming over and you want to boost the system late afternoon, you can push and hold the boost button for 3 seconds. You'll initiate a one-shot boost. When it's got the system to temperature, it'll then revert back to the last setting. When the Reclaim system boosts, it boosts from the heat pump. There's no additional energy source like an element in the tank to boost. It purely boosts from the heat pump.